Welcome to Road to 100 Con Questions. So we have n is 63, 6 raised to 23 and 15 raised to 11, which you have to convert to this, a into 10 raised to b. And a is not a multiple of 5, so there should be no 5 in 8s. So all the 5 should be in 10 raised to b. So let's break it up. So first you break up into smaller, 2 raised to 23, 3 raised to 23, 3 raised to 11, 5 raised to 11. 15 is 3 5s are, 6 is 2 3s are. So if you look at, if I want to make it 10 raised to b, I have to combine 5 with 2. Since there are 11 5s, I require 11 2s. So 2 raised to 12 plus 11, 23, into 3 raised to 34, into 5 raised to 11. So I can combine 2 raised to 11 and 5 raised to 11. I get 2 raised to 12 into 3 raised to 34 into 10 raised to 11. So I know b is 11. A will be this whole part of 2 raised to 12 into 3 raised to 34. I want a last digit of A. If you know the cyclicity rule, 2 raised to 12, 12 is a multiple of 4. So 2 raised to 12 is same as 2 raised to 4. So the last digit will be 6, the last digit. Same at 34, if you divide by 4, remainder is 2. So 3 raised to 34 is same as 3 square. Last digit is 9. So last digit will be 6 into 9, which will end in 4. B option. The last digit will end in 4. Two boys having average age of 21 years rented house. After 1 year they become 22 years, these two boys. Two more boys join them, and after further period of 5 years, the average of 4 boys is 26. That means before these 5 years, the average will be 21 years. So when the two boys joined, the average will be 26 minus 5, 21 years. This is the average of 4 boys. What was the average of 2 boys who joined later at the time when they started renting the room? So that means at this point of time, when they rented the rooms. So the initial 2 boys had an average of 22. All the 4 boys had an average of 21. So 2 boys who must have joined later must have had an average of 20. Remember, 2 boys, they are equal. So that means the average 21 years will be average of 22 and this value. So this has to be 20. 20 and 22 average is 21. A option. You can form that 2 into 22 plus 2 into x will give you 4 into 21. Anyway, that will also give you 20 years. 4 different red colored balls and 3 different blue colored balls are placed in 5 identical boxes. You have 5 boxes. Each box has maximum 1 red ball. That means 4 boxes will have 4 red balls. Since all the boxes are similar, it doesn't matter how you arrange the red balls. But 4 boxes have 4 red balls because there are only 4 red balls. Each box has 1 ball, at least 1 ball. That means the last box will have a blue ball. Now there are 3 blue balls different. So from these 3 blue balls, I have to pick up 1 blue ball out here. So which will be 3 ways. 1 blue ball has to come out here, which is 3 ways. The remaining 2 blue balls have to come in these 4 places, which is 4C2. The remaining 2 blue balls have to be only 1 in each box. So from this 4, I have to pick up 2, not 4C2, 4P2 because it's pairing. Because each red ball is different. So let's say first blue ball can be arranged in 4 ways. Second blue ball can be arranged in 3 ways. So 4 3s are 12 ways you can arrange the 2 blue balls. So total ways becomes 12 into 3, which becomes 36 ways. D option. Since all these red balls are different, the blue ball that is left, you can put in 4 ways. And the second blue ball you can put in remaining 3 boxes 3 ways. So 4 3s are 12 ways, which is 36 ways. The exterior angles of a hexagon are an arithmetic progression with a common difference of 20. Now since exterior plus interior angle is 180, so exterior angles are in AP and interior angle also will be in AP with difference of 20. Now in a hexagon, if you look at a regular hexagon, the angle is 120. If you note a regular hexagon, each angle is 120. That means the average of all the internal angles is 120. Average is 120. And average is always middle of the average of the middle 2 values. In an arithmetic progression, when there are even number of cases, average 120 will be the average of middle 2 cases with a difference of 20. Which means this will be 110, this will be 130. Difference of 20. So which means this will be 90, difference of 20 and 70. 150, 170. You can make out that 4 angles are obtuse. So C option. So 4 of the interior angles are obtuse. A lot of sums can be just drawn and got the answer. If you understand the concept, It is easier to get the answer that way. You need a little practice, but yes, it's easier to get the answer instead of forming equations and trying to get the answer. A, B, C run a 100-meter race such that A starts a race. When A starts a race, B is 10 meters ahead and C is 15 meters ahead. And when A finishes the race, B is 5 meters behind. So we say B is 5 meters behind and C is 10 meters behind. What the ratio of speeds of B and C? So how much has B run? Total A has run 100 meters, the 100-meter race. So B has run 100 minus 10 minus 5, which is 85 meters. And C has done 100 minus 15 minus 10, 75 meters. So distance done by them is 85 and 75. So ratio of the speed also will be the same, 17:15. That will be the answer. The ratio of the distance is the same as the ratio of the speed, because more the distance, more the speed. So the ratio of the speed also will be 17:15. Thank you.